What's up, guys? I hope someone Anamoah here. I just stepped out and the whole day was today was a rainy day. Timuamu say weather na BB. As I say, Ghana for the while say in Suta, no one wants to step out. Yeah, it's in Chineno. In Suta, no one wants to step out. But Ghana for we are funny. We are very funny. You know, a customer went to my shop. Or called me shop or no say and I didn't know what tomorrow. Because normally on Sundays we open at 12 o'clock. To Obusan say, I didn't know what tomorrow. I said, Obusan said, I'm not tomb. Tia one and I said, my friend, my barber, because and then come maybe Kokumas about we're just waiting for the nation's the president's address. Now, I say, there will be a lockdown or not. To me, Uncle Shop, my friend, my barber now. I quite see Sony 20, no. When to me, Uncle. I'm like, yo, what are you talking about? Isu 21 to me, Uncle Juma. Are you serious? It is anka barbers now. I mean, doctors now. We are Juma hospitals, no. And can we draw on your car say, doctors now, because in Suta and a woo and kabeode. You see, these people, their mindset is just is bad, man. Just because it's raining, you didn't go to work. Talking about it's raining. Are you talking? Do you know the things people go through? When the snow people walk through just to get to work. You know, you just they can't. These people, I just don't understand. Like, that's the reason why they never. That's the reason why they never make. Most of them never make it anywhere because they don't have the discipline. Someone has opened a shop just for you to work in. It rained, so you decided to stay home and not even, have the courtesy with like, oh, okay, let me call my boss and see what he thinks, whether we should just stay home today or if I should go to work. So you just decided to just stay home. What do I pay? I close the shop, no. Are you serious? Yo, Ghana for your problem. We have a big problem. Your problem. I hope someone here. Yo, Pope, I see you. I hope someone here. Today I was supposed to come out in the morning to have a talk with you guys concerning Anaba and then the baby daddy. But when it's soon started to talk. And me, I wouldn't mind walking through it, but then my phone and it's my chairman and soon I tell you, I finna my step out. Yo, Oba, you are talking about driving through the snow. We got people who take almost a bus every day, daily basis, to get to work. Obi fat in snow every day to get to work. In so talk, what's what nephew? What would you talk? Are you serious? Yo, in so 20 watts nephew. When you fire them, and then they start blaming the president. You see, people, the reason why I always say the rich will take advantage, the rich will always be rich is because the poor don't have the what do you call it, the power, the willpower, the discipline to be able to stand up and say, I'm sacrificing to get to the top. No, they want comfort. The thing that pisses me off the most, and they say, oh no, he's getting a monthly salary. And funny, who saw the song when we say, what yeah, oh no, they won't just on Quajuma because when you say a month in this one, Oberman and a monthly pay. It's sad. It's very sad. But this morning, no, I mean, what time is it? Bro Gideon, I see you. One more topic, I need you to share the video ASAP. Please share the video. And I you maybe, but I'm about to talk some sense into a maybe. Me share them who remember be brave so more comment it. I want an aba. And OSEBO issue no. Enti no a man na comment na me who comment bi ewo adamfo bi a me ne ko school no comment I will make here no. It pisses me off so bad. I didn't really want to have it. Na me pese me chere my dream was same way till the end of everything, but it's only right that I come out and talk some sense into some people's head. The patcho mon share video no. Mon share video. You know say I can never go on without acknowledging my viewers. First of all, my name is Black Demogo, and this is the BDM show where we keep it real, keep it 100. Everything that comes out of my mouth is the truth and nothing but the truth, so help me God. Oba Mahon. Obaya, I see you. Kukwa, thank you for tuning in. Sheila, thank you for tuning in. Yo, Terrence, #1 barber in Colorado. That's my barber. Bro, I hope you're good. Kojo, thank you for tuning in. Ransford, I see you. Ras Kasa, I see you. Pretty Abena, I see you. Michael, I see you, bro. Pope Black, I see you, bro. Francis, thank you for tuning in. Ajwa Medo, I saw tuning in. Who else? Jenny, thank you. Owusu, thank you. Helena, thank you. Sophia, thank you. Van, thank you. Bernard, bro, Charlie, Biaboko, Ata, I see you. Nah, thank you for tuning in. Josephine, thank you for tuning in. Dada Dauda, Mehun, bro. Mami Akusia, Puma, I see you. Mami Ifwa, I see you. Marvin, thank you for tuning in. So I need you to share the video, and then we need to talk some sense into encophobia. All right, so Marvin, comment to be a mehun no obi status so asama what can I say? Be careful of who you have kids with. Be careful. Say, my man tries let me translate it in tree. Or say, you're careful about Bema one in the bell because that Bema no is stuck with you for the rest of your life. And caption now, yeah, not edda OSEBO, which is 247 Zara Boutique in Ghana. Nana Anamoah, the baby father, none the picture. Was it attire now? I say straight, dress, Oh no, he's a fashionista. He wears skirts. Uko United States PDD munina Rick Ross or more free ghetto gangster. Because when you reach a certain level, you understand fashion to a certain level. See, we all work hard to be able to do what we want to do. We all work hard to push the envelopes. We all work hard to make a statement in our society. I'm a waffle. What I say? He's a trendsetter. He's someone who has worked hard, and you will be a third January. What I say? And as you can see, or more fashionistas, or more send your man is outside the box. I'm on for until they do it because they have the balls. You don't have the balls because unisika train amobi ashatare na ansa na wakoshe. Train amobi akase we and you cool ansa na wakoshe. What I say, we have trendsetters. Me say I'm the type of person I dear about me follow because I hate people. I say Sakawi can't friend the Prado no. Yeah, my ministers probably no. When I see those cars, I am a time when my because everyone OBI so what a MPB driver. I say uniform. I am the type of person that may share idea. I am fair. It look nice on me. So onona brabo. I struggle. It's near beyond one business. Now he's a fashionista. Now what me dress it? No, I skirt. And I say, was a full dresser. And no, that's what he chooses to do. How can you make a statement say, be careful of who you have as a woman, be careful of who you have kids with because they will be stuck with you for the rest of your life? What do you mean? And then you made me Baba Church. There are some people on there are some people on TV. There are some people on television. There are some people on radio that you and I look at. We respect them so much. But I am telling you, say, if you were to find out the things they do, and the picture they are painting for you, say, Obiama. My example. Obi to say Whitney Houston, any Bobby Brown, no. Na a man for drink say Bobby Brown and influence Whitney Houston because Whitney Houston no more bonina or bono emam rofono. Or bonyo mam rofono or mashadani lebu na manaya and said the or white girl. She's coming from the suburbs. No, Whitney Houston was from the ghetto. Whitney Houston was smoking weed. Whitney Houston was doing drugs before crimes and I will share Bobby Brown. But now I'm for drink say Bobby Brown and I say because say or more drink say or no the street boy or no bad boy. It's sometimes when the pictures that you guys see on television, no, don't be fooled. I am telling you, there are so many people on more television. So who and your mom you will never respect them again. Oh yeah, they rock it in Scotland. Yeah, I know that, but then it's part of their tradition. Anybody who admires, just like the skirts, everything that we wear in Ghana, if you be a buyer, except for even the entire in the crown and man, mupamono, entire mupam with African print, the designs are not even from Ghana. Because if we were to talk about entire and yen fam pam styles and can yes styles in there man mushano. Mufa, you guys take the African print, namodia pam. What do you call it? Foreign styles. What I say? Today, I want to explain something to you. There are so many people on radio stations. For about 3 months. There are people who are TV presenters who sleep with men for money. What I say? Meaning presenter be meaning I know a presenter. I know a talk show personality be a but I have a close friend or free abucheba ebe fire all the time. That's their personal issue. I won't put any names out. What I say? But mubuno. And if anything were to happen, because an kazani pana mono make kind of 17 anko name fan say funny face enya asem kwa na nka respect you or funny face. But this is someone who is sleeping with someone's husband or bahu for husband, who is begging to be with someone's husband. Ono no sanke koye man is anka obi kunu ofra bocheba na ono ne da. See, you guys are making some statements. Do you even know the man? Man, a friend OSEBO, do you even know him? Do you know his history? Do you know where he's from? Do you know where he came from to get to where he is? Do you know where he came from? See, sometimes Africa, the reason why we don't even move forward and say, you see someone riding in a nice car, and you see someone on TV, do you know what people do to get to where they are? And just because who say Nana ba ewo television so and I say she's in charge of EIB. So no wabo bra and you obi or well what drew sura and kason kono could be kono be in a firm and kono be in a TV station. Right now, isn't she working for someone? She's working for someone. Ono OSEBO, do you know the company he owns? Do you know how long he's owned that company? There's different. Anybody can just open a company. My company, I'm a BAA. On the 14th year, D 1 year. Knock on wood. I hope saying this. But within the next 6 months, it will be last. For someone to be in the industry for that long, even all the industry players, all the stars, they bow down to him. Wakosha skirt and now washat area a street or painting. Therefore, bunenim tiase and now bad into. Are you serious? Do you know a mema mumubu oma behind closed doors? Behind closed doors, and no more you will not respect. Nasa obi enya nisika ahoso. It's me ato ataria ope. Esha ataria ope, and he's happy. He's happy. Ujina ho kase. And be careful of who you have kids with because they will be stuck with you forever. Nana Bano, who is she? What has she accomplished? Oh yes, Kukua, he's very smart. You see, he's someone who thinks outside the box. He's someone who he likes to push the envelope. In Ghana, in the world, in general, we will be not so no will be so. Not if you do not normal things you will die and go. Nobody will remember you. But I am telling you, man, he will be remembered. People will remember him because he's been. Go to his place. You will see all those stars. They all go there and then bow down to him. Do you think that they are dumb? They know what he's about. They know what he stands for. I don't know much, or I don't know the details of what Nanaba does, but I have to. She's money. She has the money to do it. Sanko no be in the TV station. The way I'm rating high, you know, all because a TV so, and then she speaks or cabrofo into therefore no and then mubuni chain will be on one business who decides to wear a skirt. Now what's a skirt and natural and natural butomana and then natural nipa way. You see, it's about time we Ghanaians, we need to wake up. We need to stop judging things by what we see. On everything, all these women that you guys are rating so high, if we were to sit down, nasi yekase USA IRS, yekase internal revenue for and check how much they make and the assets they have, it will not match. It will not make sense. It will not make sense. Me, I've seen Nanaba all drive a Jaguar, 4x4 Jaguar. How much does she make? Or the better Jaguar? You understand? So, if we are to look at the things they have, the assets they have, any sika it will not make sense. And then the bachelor will say, no matter how you rate them, and no more behind the scenes to make money, you will be shocked. Why I cry a boy if any boy now, Bema, what's me a beer company? Company not tonight, maybe come back Ghana 8 years in the company now 247. He's been able to hold that company for all these years. All the stars now mubuomo komodiomo krano mubuomo. They go to him and they bow down to him because they know who he is and they know what he's been able to accomplish. Hard-working man. If you speak to him, when you meet him, you feel his presence, and you say no, what do you call it? Or someone who is the way he even talks, what we say, you guys don't know anybody, you just see an image, you just see a picture. Now what the judge will be can't say, be careful of who you have kids with. Now they will be stuck with you forever. Are you serious? Saying what we need to do, and say, stars are in we have to reveal it for you guys to stop thinking that way. I say, I'm who be on TV. So the funny thing is, the moment you go on TV now, I'm just say you've made it. People call you. They saw me go on Zion Felix interview. And my friend say, hey Charlie, what anymore? That's very dumb. So you see me on Zion Felix platform into the Makomenim. At the Zion Felix platform, when you finish, they give you money. And I say, who calls Zion Felix? You should not a business. No, boom, no kwana. Your hard work. Don't be fooled. Don't be fooled. All these stars on with TV, so no, they don't have time. At the industry, in the same, how much money do they give people? Yesterday, I was rolling with a presenter. And I somehow kind of say, I was rolling with. I mean, come on, because I put one hand will be tell who but I was rolling with someone. I somehow kind of said, Charlie, me want to forget you or say, or so ye know who's like, oh yeah, the Moisha Muye Nibino, now or they attracted big men. And to say no one planning how are they going to do it. It's what in the first video by out. Me share video no I share 90 bina oh shaky no na or run no no for Google. So right now what they will do they say they will give it to blogger be na blogger na post. When a blogger poster e na almost say all them penny for no mo ntimi for mo be man show mo yi mo no. Best start a friend blogger and say na girl be ni. You see, don't see, and then you wake up and you think say these women sa obawe baba ye obawe be ya be obo so cheap big cars now over televisions now ugina na obu. You respect such a woman. No, I'm not knocking her hustle. She's smart. Oh no dream say, you know something, Moisha mu take advantage, me take advantage. I'm not knocking her hustle. Say san obey the top what they mention. And I'm not saying say bad. You gotta do what you gotta do because a come Ghana. What I say, a come Ghana. But then me person me share when they say obi o TV so and I say obi say oh drive a big cars. Don't let the material things fool you to think say no sage wa make. I'm telling you, a woman, a lady, I'm sure that she probably has a kid. Or what's it called? But was sending video, no. She's trying to entice, like, oh yeah, I was laughing. I'm like, man, girl, you need to hit the gym before you start this thing. That's all what gym man say. Shadi, was 90, and I was starting all shaking. Until right now, what they will do, and they say, we have to put, they have to put the video, they have to give the video to a blogger. Most a blogger and they start to push here. Then people will start to ask, say, hey, Obabeni, you want mema omu share video, omu obabi omu say, director Benny shoot you video we. Let me call that director, find out who the girl is, and pass obenyano. That is what these girls are doing. Show business, I'm telling you. Unless you know the person, you should never vouch or you should never think that this person is working hard. Wouldn't the amount for you? Na say, obi to say, man here friend is sabono. Obi and the business. Akwa ni mu adurechiri. Obako no da so tie na dwumam. Ana papa na ne case wo. Or drive it or Porsche Cayenne. Or Porsche Cayenne. Or some other cars. But guess what? Obako no the workers na be in the shop ano. Not wo. Every morning he's there. He's not playing. Enya agon odi ono no wa brain emoji ni na wanya na juma. He will not stay home for someone to steal from him. He's not running a business, he is the business. Ono na ye business no. What you say? So he's branding himself. Na ade na wa ye na mo come ho asem kwa no. Unim advertisement awanya. Unim publicity awanya. You think say we are joking? Who this amount for dia grow? Not just because say muhu na naba a TV so it's you all respect it no. Because say oba TV so the way she presents herself and the way she talks and all respect it no. Do you know what she did to get to where she is? No, she's a smart woman. No doubt. Or a smart woman based on some but then do you know what she did? Because we are in Ghana. Yenina ya Ghana and yenim say omo smart a man omo smart omo nya omo adwen say omo ebemema frofro omo no they don't get anywhere. Majority of the women are more high places in Ghana. Any amount for the that position. And I'm not saying say she's one, but I am saying say if you don't know how she got to the top, men fan status in infant did you be at them. If you don't know how she got to the top, men find the status no in the deal be on na hustle and then the business and then the sika a shantari or on the person no men fa obi status and find the them. I am a yapao. Like I'm pissed off because if you knew the person now more kind of want some now. If you knew the person, time or no naba. Time look at when Nebana design Nebano I'm sure say he's in college into about 20 years old. Okay, the time you conceive the time I will date is a man no all the old party age akwani age if you know about nanaba no drew him but the man no he was still OSEBO at that time. Already now he's made it. He was already established. What I say? Say see na momo dream say na about with TV so nti mood di man na tem no. Say EIB were to collapse right now. She will have to go look for a job from another place. Obekwa ko pay adwuma baby fufuro. Obi abranya na adwuma you are there talking about you are Bema won the be you are stuck with him so be careful Emma. It's sad. It's just sad. It's sad. Do you know that dress now or say, you know? Attire or say, you know? Do you know the attention? Do you know the publicity at Amana Juma? Within the show business, you know, show business, people we know him. But one me I me say Kaminimo, but see and you and I, you know who he is. Do you know how many followers are after the wenya by that at the end of say? So you did there. Not drink say, oh, we were TV. So I'm telling you, there are so many presenters, so many radio personalities. 3 months in the omunya pay that. So many presenters, so many personalities. Omunya pay. Nina a payola and omu how far. People that you should be very careful before and son I will be you so modi ebu bi anim tiano. Omo show busy. A come with the amount for rough. A come at the amount for will show business. It's mem, do you know the things people do? Huh? Minim girl be on autonomous our industry nim. Man be eso peno. Man ne frɛ presenter bia on a girl near close. And pa omukushia na what does she want? She has a new song coming out. We hear video. And her man is to be charmano. Pine. Why we are there? These are the people that you place. Oh, any tikwana ama boys, you know. Almost they don't like to work hard because when you saw you man crack high, you will never respect. Name so ya ne sakawa, no kukumubi, no kojiske dry, and no be respected because you guys only judge people by the things you see with your eyes. Abrakona when you know is only to see something, but it's your brain which is processing it. When you bet me who are there, but so brain into me process ya so you guys should use your brain to access things and stop depending only on your sight. Enye enini ne hu ade o. No, enye enino ane hu ade kra wo show. Enini de ehwe na emum eya adwen no ana ema hu se ye. Because look at this. When you bet me hu se e bia ka tare na shark wa no. Atare and a shark one, right? Say, so one cost me and say atare and a yellow. I'm a one keeping what dream one. Your eyes will see what attire is, but it's your brain that will tell you that attire and should work on a yellow. Now yet Ghana, yet the air dream say, unti kamwa, and I say, unti nice moon, right? Do you know how many people, how many presenters man for the cars, if just to sell for them? No more than no more they fans and so many things. They are broke. Eti me shemo mo amoti wo nyina na mo no me call Isaiah Felix page platform so you are rating me no me patch rate me by my hustle, rate me by no man me. Don't rate me because audience my cause our platform no so. Don't men framing can them say message I made a call on and they say you should call me to say Charlie why are there for speaking to the youth. Men framing can them say hey Charlie will call maybe you're doing no. That's all we know. We judge things with what we see. Now Bema I hustle. It's me a big company for almost 2 decades. For almost 2 decades. Agent also. Because Nanaba Ewo television station or more television station. I don't know what is she the what is she? I forget the title or the war. And you know Mu rate no. I Bema when any no. Be careful of Bema and the because you are stuck with that man forever. Do you know the man? Do you know where he came from? Do you know where the man came from? Huh? Do you know his story? Ghana na yen respect obi a wa hustle e dia kwosoro. We only respect money as long as we was can kwade. Despite what was here, if despite they didn't have the money, not despite the kind of story, actually what, only respecting that. Even though he struggled, because he said, she can't even no respecting him. But material things in the end, enough you are valuing in the hustle. But hustle is a hustle. You should respect any man or any woman who gets up in the morning and tries to say they will better themselves. You may not see the results, or the results may not come right now, but definitely, eventually, as long as they are working towards their goal, no, the results will materialize soon. But Ghana, there, we only look at material things. There, me say, girl be what do you call it? Or TV host. Yeah, I think that she's the manager. Yeah, or a TV host. I'm more respecting the pan. Or your interviews. Or your interviews. Or sorry, or Jana. But if you see her begging, or who are beg, me, the information I have on Mumubuno, you guys hold it highly. But if you see that I beg she they wait obi kunu only bakono crown so say akwala, but all because the person came from the US. The person is someone US no so akona no I can't give too much information. And smooth na hona more respect say nipa no. So wiska. So wodin. I didn't know want me nya bema. What I say? Unless or no be, see these people don't. You guys shouldn't, before you get to know the person. I'm not saying intimate disrespecting no, but don't give them too much respect because you don't know what they do behind closed doors. Behind closed doors. I'm telling you, you don't know what they do behind closed doors. The person that you know, the person that has or show say yes, this is my business. Where Juma win I may this is how I make my money. Respect those people. Respect them. Respect those people. Ghana, you who are television so wow no guy, you've made it. You have made it. You who are TV so you have made it. Maybe Godfather or platform so Brad Gideon or boutique. Right now, meet me a boutique or a judge in your marche. Now me television so now my bomb Gucci, no my bomb Louis. And when I'm numbers that I respect, I'm because hey, I'll call you, will make you. Come on, do you know how many stars? Omoko boutique. No, Mako Jenny Marche. Now, Omuria, or they can't buy it and then they take it back. They take it back. I saw Mako rent it, they take it back. And so, no, obe respect it, sa rapper no, over only pakwa or only sa business no. You respect that right because say you see them, they are stars. When you comedy at this stars now, do you know how much these women, the things they do to make money, to generate a what do you call it? Revenue. Sa girl now, me say, or the video about out, or the video madam for be or so per se, or yeah, or advertising or home for. And penny for no, right? Media since the aim and it's all about attracting penny for no. I hope so she achieved her dreams. Cause me, I don't know the old here. Like I mean the open wa braboma and or person or name penny for that and son make his can. But even when she makes it, Nyame Buana said, what me achieve the person achieving now. Oh, but me point never can say monhwe. Ebe aka na mo respect no. Now on the TV stations na or a presenter na mo bu no. But you don't know how she made it there. We can acknowledge her hustle because to be able to sleep with a lot of men to make it is not easy, but it is not the right way. Or you should not say, oh, we're Drew, or a presenter, or Kuhunanado, or Nibulari and Nam. Into therefore, I respect that person. No. Yentiwana video circulate ya Ghana ni girl. Wako is a Dubai or say here. Yeko toilet egonum. Muni hona yeko toilet egu bienum. Still no more respect to my slave Quincy. TV station. Do you know what they do? Do you know the pimping? Do you know the pimping they are pimping these girls? Some presenters for brewery, you know what they do? They have access to politicians, and what they do is that when they see an upcoming girl be our fire, then they will introduce the upcoming girl to the what do you call it? To the big men, and then they make their money. They are pimping them. Like I said, when they more show more assets, now show more income if it makes sense. And when I move so no, they have ways that they are making their money. So if you don't know someone, don't disrespect the person, because the one who says any panel, back then not in a relationship, anymore with TV. So it's no dream say, oh, now about with TV. So therefore you accord her all the respect, but you don't respect the man she had a baby with, because some man no akoshe skirt, wakoshe atari. Until you don't respect that man. We don't know what Nanaba does to make her money, besides the television, the show business. But maybe if you knew, you wouldn't accord her so much respect. All these girls, man, maybe in Ghana, they go to Dubai, they shit in their mouth. I'm out for toilet to go to make their money. But all respect to them because I wanted a big casting. We need to stop. We need to stop according respect to certain people because of the things that we see. Maybe I want to care more, or more big man. Do you when you mama na make me show. Your friend is saying Nam one page so you will see say Nam one no nana do a chat picture no raha no he was doing those things to convince people. And he was able to convince people. That's why I keep telling you, say, majority of us, we judge things because of what we see. No, you have to read in between the lines. Read in between the lines. Yes, number one, all the pictures, all the association, or your friend is saying, asante ho. No, I could show on something in the pictures. This no. Then people were like, "Oh, this man is legit." Yanku face he can't go to. Now when you musika go to, says he can higher than you, say higher than you. Now you see. Asari, Asari said, please don't mention her name because she could see you. Pacho, as you can see, I'm very careful. I have not said anything that she has done this or she has done that. I did communication studies. A journalist, I'm just not practicing. So I know the ethics and the rules and regulations. I have not said anything. I did criminal justice too. I have not said, okay, say. All I'm saying is say all the women, most of the women on television, we don't know what they do. So before you disrespect someone, because say I only bakona I would disrespect no. Now ODT will be only bakona make your television. So do you know what they did to get to the television top? You don't know. Until you know, until Hunanama roadmap, until you see her roadmap to how she got to the top, men disrespect you will be. Men disrespected OSEBO because it said Nanaba make it. Because you don't know how Nanaba she made it. We don't know. But one thing I can tell you is say a lot of those women in the music in the show business, they didn't get to the top the right way. they did not get to the top the right way. All these young girls driving Range Rovers in this annual man. We've seen videos of these Arab men shitting in their mouth. Who Arab men or more toilet Maui. They treat them like animals. Ghana na ye respect because or the Range Rover and answer or the if anything or the Benz Mercedes Benz. No. Men never disrespect anybody because of for a lifestyle. And I say maybe for maybe a uhuno. What I say? Maybe a uhuno. Who was a siano? Unyebi pedjumaya. OSEBO bet me I employing for so many years because on one ejuma no. Yes, Nana Banzo bet me employ sa only pan but Nana Bajuma. Say siano say EIB shut it down. Say Nancy I wouldn't how many employees are EIB fire omo. EIB fire man for we because they could not fund the company anymore. The company wasn't doing so well, so they had to let some people go. OSEBO, if you go there and you see the people, the guys working for him, the girls working for him are well dressed, everything, you can see that they are happy working for him because they know how generous and they know how hard he works. What I say? Ain't you know, respect someone. Only bakon wa bring the mo journey and making it sika. Wa bring the mo journey a bio no one company. Forget the show business, forget who you see on TV, because I'm telling you, a lot of people are hungry. A lot of people are hungry on television. A common diamond for be, and that's real talk. If I told share video way, any more more disrespected OSEBO because of Atari, and that's a skate I was saying, you know. Go on the internet and then search for PDD. And I said Rick Ross, and I said why be him. You will see a lot of rich people. They wear it because guess what? They are rich. They don't have to conform to anybody. They don't have to follow any trend. They will set the trend. Or when they best set the trend, you know. Say PDD Shah, what's Ghana? Obeka say, oh, that's so cool. Say John DeMello and a Shaya, and Kabeka say, oh, that's so cool. Say why be why be na mo you hold so highly your friend say Abeku Santana na say Kabaka say hey that's so cool, but you don't know the any only bakon oye what you say obi abo adwuma anya sika e pese wo dress the way on one pese wo dress. You have a problem with it. You have a problem with it. Please, Ghana, let's stop judging people by what we see. If you knew the man I'm talking about, no man no be successful no. Na ba eda soko school, journalism school. Time a man the be successful started a year in the business, nana ba or journalism school. Ain't no please. Let's not disrespect someone that we don't know. We shouldn't disrespect people who have, earned their money the honest way, people who have actually worked hard to make their money. Every time I go to 247 Zara boutique in Ghana, the man is there. If he's not in Ghana, he's outside Okofanyoma Aba. So only Ghana or outside Okofanyoma Aba. He lives fashion, he eats fashion, he breathes fashion. You don't have to like what he wears. You just have to respect the hustle. You just have to understand. You don't have to like it. You just have to understand his hustle. That's all. Na Ghana be brave. I'm for brave. Ebi nyuma obeko na omonte. Because you know what they are doing. You go to so many shops, so many wine shops. You go to so many boutiques. Obakona mame unibako owners, they are not there. You know what they are doing? Okay, so this is what they did. They slept with some big man. The big man opened the shop for her. Said, "Oh, what do you want to do?" "Oh, I want to sell wine." "Okay, I've rented a shop for you. I bought you wine. Sell wine." Instead of her sitting down to make sure say business in the grow, no, she's moving to another man. Some man no, maybe will buy her a house. What I say? She's driving around. That's what they do. But if you have a shop, a wine shop, now say every day, on Tiano, now will drive you around. The whole day, if they don't sell anything at the shop, Kaisa will petrol now with the name Waboka. But almost the moka because on one naming now, almost different clients. So will be our rental shop a mano, or will be over top if you mano. That's what they do. Go to 247. 247, there be a baconoti. On why in a juma. On what looking at how long he's been doing his business, he should not be. Me anka make say, "Oh, any mint now. Maybe I pay before me train I be a boy and you remember 5 and ameko." Obekonoti and papa he's sitting there making sure say everything is going according to his plans, according to how he want the shop to be run. But Mona, my who slay queens, anymore my who TV personalities. You know something? My cat and man on my TV personalities and I want them too much. Now let's come to the men. Epacho, do you know how many men? Our more industry no more we gigolos. You can't be a gigolo out here. Ah, uni mema omo no mo respect to omo. Our more gigolos. Do you know how many men in the industry? How many men in the industry that you guys accord so much respect, that you guys look up to? At the end of the day, no, a man penny for more musica and so no didi. But you respect those men because obe dressing nice, no namo. On your you respect those men, but you will disrespect a man or no in the juma will be in the shop, our tennis shop or no. He's been able to hold that business for over 10 years, almost 2 decades. Over 10 years, almost 2 decades, because me back Ghana, how many years? 8 years in it. You respect someone because he's an actor. Do you know how many actors on more Ghana and penny for na a sponsor or But you respect those men. You see, Ghanaians, like I said, the eye is for sight, it's just to see, but it's the brain and the process at the corner and in the it is a wooden brain when you be but you don't know what it is. That is the reason why you guys see these flashy guys, you know, they are good looking, too sweet anan, no woman, James Gardner, no woman. Do you know how they suffer? I'm not saying that those particular men I may mention they are suffering, but some of their colleagues are suffering. Do you know how much, how these people, how these men, how do you know how they are struggling? You know something? Let me tell you something here. I have a friend on Facebook. You are on Facebook. Oba. Or say some stabby. Some movie star, I only background we tuntum. What industry ni much? 80 friend or begging for 200 Ghana cedis. I mean 200 euros. Or begging for 200 euros. It's because why your operation. A Johnny be in the fridge. He goes to the extent of even opening the fridge for Barney to see that there's nothing in the fridge. And so you respect this man. You respect such a person because over TV, so over someone who is hustling to make it. What I say? You respect someone, you respect this man. Oh yeah, star no. Because oh yeah, star. You respect, but you don't know how he's suffering. You don't know the things, what he's doing to make money. But unso be enam kwa unso be nam me kai say let me see. Sometimes you see the shop now maybe, you know, the barbering shop, you know, because of experience and many and you know, sometimes Abuche, you get on the bus, you go all the way to, they have big markets. I with my Tonyoma. Sometimes we for train, sometimes we for a bus. Because of Sanyoma in me bag Ghana no, I'm a beer shop no. Me no me come akola. It's me come akola. Na me nemu na me team free. And te so they met to be brave. And they may be brave. But guess what? I'm going out there to make sure until the company Nibejina, our company is no more crawling. I will not give up. I will not send anybody to town say, oh yeah, me worker into Wokotono Bremen. No. Utia, what's not broche that you understand these things? Utisanyo Manase, you understand these things. You will even get down and do it yourself. When I go to work, sometimes my baba's no more and I say, oh you busy, then I sweep there myself. Last time I went, now or you will die will be tea. Now lady, no, there's another man waiting to get a haircut. And when I'm still lady name and I'm a die chin you, me wash it chin you in the man, me ye be a man, me Charlie, I am the business. And no more respecting. Most of y'all don't respect that. More respect it will be now no kind of neguso. Because I said, me real school, some catch on said, me I majored in communication studies as a journalist. I did advertising. I did printing and all that. But me a school and I'm seeing me quite internship. Foresight. Quite internship of Foresight. Now some girl be and a secretary. Oh no, me name is no go school for. You know, I don't know what she was doing there. If you're a permanent employee and I say no so be any internship there. Me quite I had it in mind say I want to grow in a me person me come in our Foresight's business, you know, the company. I wanted to grow it because when Foresight our television so you think that it's a big company, you want to be part of it. It's me call hono. Me no me kono. Me watch a crab bomb no. Me bomb me brand name, my semi-9 shoe brand name, me belt, me no me brand name. It's you know me kwa for some reason Ignis, and that's the owner of the or untimin can't like or my orders I untimin my orders, but I mean I was willing to serve. It's you know one time you know casa boys in cleaning and sweep people. Now boys need and I want to go far, you know, prior, and I'm started prior. Me prasa after the girl now to another secretary is now why are you doing this? A big man like why? I'm like you don't know my plans. Unim adrian me team where I want to get to. What I say you don't know where I want to get to. Abuchia and can see you no because this is the type of person I want to build my company with. But Ghana, how with me, I sign your money now. You better just say, "Okay, you're John," because almost doing say, "Obi only back no. I ain't home boss one and then I'm on only mumuna." I say, "What any rule?" But no, the person who respects your business, the person who understands your vision, the person who is doing everything they can to make sure say, "Oh, business no ever standing no." Those are the people you should employ. It's me call on me. I'm a proper man, family who cry, and family who because I know where I have been before. I know the cars. I've had cars. I've had cars. I've sat at the VIP. Washington D.C. Many people know about American football. We go to the club. We pop bottles. We mess around with fine girls. What you saying? But Charlie, all those things, no, I wasted those years. We wasted those years. Now I'm in Ghana. I hustle. If you see me, I'm Makola. Now me I'm in Nemu. Now me kotomi nyoma. Now my sister bag. Now unim kaya yo for no. Mefa kaya yo. Now I just want to give the money for the kaya person to also make money. Me Me kutamia me bag me, you know, free to me. I don't care. What you talking about? Ko New York ko here. You will see a lot of people who want to talk and they may have money, but you got to do it yourself. Unless you say you are making millions, you cannot have a maid. Ewa butri. Say you're a millionaire or making big money, you can't have a maid. So that means that obi or abuchi be a majority of them and your more bibi. E wash your more dishes. E your bibi what I say. Pagana. Kakrebia no akofa maid. I mean, it's cheap to have a maid in Ghana, so Obu Okwana, they're just looking for a place to stay in this annual man. What I say? But yeah, like going back to hard workers, you know, who work hard. Now one wabijna me poppy or no bakwana dishes will how no be wash because what's na brochida. But Ghana knew who so wash our dishes are skinny. I say I didn't know wash was boo. Ghana knew so why you trash bola be see anymore or drink say wo no kwa no nyu bia ombu. We only judge things with what we see and a problem. And no a problem. The pacho more making those statements about OSEBO, put it to rest. You don't know the man. You don't know the man. What I say, so put it to rest. You don't know who he is. You don't know how he struggled to be where to accomplish all the things he's been able to accomplish. What I say, respect the man. Put some respect on his name. What I say, you don't know him just because said Anaba Ewo television. So being a TV host and as being a manager at EIB, no, and on that who be the antia mono just say. More holding a come on, man. Me, no, to be honest, I don't know her lifestyle, but the lifestyle of the presenters, any TV personalities are minimum, Charlie. The things they do to get to where they are, the things they do to get the money that they are receiving, no, you don't know. If you knew and can't with that much respect. And can't with that much respect. Yeah, well, personalities are omutimi pempema. They send Ghanaian young women abroad to go and prostitute. Is that the respect? Is that now you want to give your respect to? There are so many personalities that almost I don't know. What do I say? Because this is what happens when you are a TV personality, right? When you are a TV personality, so many young girls want to be on TV, right? So many young girls want to be on TV. So they come and then they kind of do their internship and they want to, be on TV. So they are desperate. They are willing to do anything. And this is what some of the TV personalities in the say no more. Almost sankwala na omo bano. Omo de sankwala ne memma mpanifo na omo de da. Na omo jiska won kwala ne ti so. They are pimping them. So be a TV personality. Now say you don't know the person personally. You don't know the nipane's hustle. Out one the atosa ne small car be no demuna. Men find a lifestyle in the do be at never. Men ye be crowder. Like I'm telling you, show business in the common diomo rough and no presenters. 3 weeks. 3 months in chair moka. Payola now they are surviving on Payola. And I know presenters. The Marco Dubai. They fly women to abroad just to go sleep with these Arabs. They make money. Are those the people that you respect? Is that what you call hustle? Is that what you call working hard? Is that hard work? Ghana, a problem, no. We respect money. We don't respect how people made it. You respect money. We don't respect how people made it. You can go to, let me say my tattoo. My tattoo, my bomb assume that. Sisia me wohi. Me ko maame bi fie. Na ma sama soma de. Na ma bomb my tattoo a. Na me nkuta sika. Ubon so meka say abrante yintimi fa ye ba ne ma. Ba wo de ma obi fa Benz mesi wo why tattoo. Na wa bona sumu nyina. Omo de akwa because of the money. The moment they see money, you who sika and then you refuse it's because of the money. Mimi cause ya mimi niska no. Omu hu a omeka say oh no intimi fa yeba ne ma. Who the old palmer will be enko na oni pa ko no fa Benz mi so na oni pa ko no de on hye ye free bibi I go chop you. Your friend be made you some shorts be. And remember shorts is above their knees. So shorts be na above your friend made you. Oh, be maybe betimi ahye be their corner ase ofie because we sikenti na ase won nkahwe. But wo de wo ni sika afa ko ne fie hwe so obema what dey tin ba. Yeah, problem no Ghana. We respect money. We don't respect the person's hustle. You mbu nipa no hustle. Me ya. I say, me, I know the man. I've been to his shop. I know his hustle. I know his hard work. Obi wo ha okọ n'animu a. Obi wo ha wo animunyam when you meet the person, the way they conduct themselves. Ema okọ n'animu a. Udi man because we say nipa no the do. Then like he's someone who the way our brand who say any the way our acknowledge even in Quarano. The man who said nah this man no when you be aqua what I say. And I know what I'm talking about. Me growing up and the people have been telling me, I say, oh animonyam. When they meet me, they tell me. So me too, when I meet people and I get the feeling, I get the same feeling. Every time I meet him, I get that feeling. Like me kone I get the feeling and I know said this man, he's not just anybody. I don't judge him by how he dressed. I judge him by his hard work. What I say? Nejuma, oh yeah. I judge him by his dedication. I judge him by his determination. I judge him by the effort he puts into his work. What did I say? And you people may not understand because you don't know him. And the person you know, Nanaba, our TV so, no, she's very hardworking. I mean, she's you know, maybe off one stage, but nobody knows how she got to that level. But the Beckans honestly hardworking. What I said, no matter how she got to that level, no, honestly hardworking. But men fan status no enfend the DOP attempt, the baby daddy attempt. Never do that because you don't know the man. How can you insult someone all because the person wore a skirt and after the person wore a dress? How can you insult someone because of what they wore? Does that make sense? Anyone who insults someone because of what they wear, ignorant. Oh, you're ignorant. You don't know much. You don't know much. You lack knowledge. You don't understand fashion. What I say? You don't understand fashion. You don't know much. You know. Oh no, so be mana. Oko Scotland, that's what they wear. It's part of their tradition. And on Scotland for addressing the financial shibia. How can you insult the person? Very bad. If I'm at all, if you don't know someone, men disrespecting. Na baby only back when I said dress na. Baby, if you cry, like I said, you shouldn't. Someone or you guys like to use material things and the judging the part, right? If you are ujina any mono, I would cast our picture no. So you will be in the panhunua and call self, you know. So you guys use material things that they judge it. Cars are ujina any mono. Sanko in the panhunua and call Janasa cars in the name. Huh? Guys. Charlie, moto na kono ko sana akujina wase o. Me phone ba ko peni o to obi beji amaso be rough. Me phone ba ko peni obi beji amaso be Charlie. Unhu se moto be twem na so ogina e so akadwane akambejo eja mumumpo. The way I can see Jina hold down in hey, me mama, Miss Aquari, me from Virginia around this time. Economy no my rough. But yeah, let's get back to the topic though. Me pamacho Ghana. Mumay jai sa. Adiena ye the nina share and your money the judges are no one moon jai. And don't ever disrespect Obi because of another person's accomplishment. Nanaba I accomplished a lot in her life. You don't know the man on the way, you know. Unim no. All you know is that Nanaba a personality or a public figure. So therefore, no, you always respect her because they're a public figure. No, it's very bad. Mama Mayenyasa. I've said enough. I've repeated a lot because I wanted to drill it down. Because Ghana, I am Mure Taifinioma. They said, "Yeah, Papa Mahama Kai, no, and Chana Mure Finioma, and someone moon share video, no. Some man now, my moon, some with the material things, no more respecting that. And be careful of the man you have a kid with because that person will be stuck with you forever, no. Do you know the man? You don't know the man. Don't do that. Why? My mom, my yes, more munyansa de msemunyesa. Maybe platforms or more basu msemunya and nyansangwa. But someone share video na and 2 years no more Ghana. Ese enyesa ani judge nipa. May God bless you all. One love. Peace.